Sound News Dictation 46 New Para. While the merger of the Judicial Commission and Parliamentary Committee may have been justified, the government disregarding the Judicial Commission in favor of cherry picking the Constitutional Court's judges betrays its desire to subdue independent judges under the garb of reclaiming space for Parliament. Contemporaneous with claims of parliamentary sovereignty, the amendment surrenders Parliament's ability to amend laws relating to the terms of service chiefs. Laws relating to the terms of service chiefs, it provides, can only be altered through a conditional amendment. The amendment, thus, ought to be seen for what it really is, an attempt to emasculate the judiciary and marginalize an incoming Chief Justice, who ruffles the executive's feathers. New para. While the government has endeavored to assuage such concerns by claiming that Justice Shah shall be the next Chief Justice, such assurances are laced with disingenuity given its attempts to relegate the office of the Chief Justice to the peripheries. The amendment is, thus, less about reclaiming Parliament's powers and more about consolidating power where it has always belonged. Most egregiously, the government is yet to share the final version of the proposed amendment officially. The Constitution forms the social contract between the citizens and the state. The preamble to the Constitution to recognizes that it is the will of the people of Pakistan to establish an order. Nonetheless, the actual custodians of the Constitution, the people of Pakistan, have been completely excluded from the process. New para. With tensions simmering under the surface, will the amendment be the harbinger of a catastrophic conflagration? The Republic may be falling apart. Imagine a world where libraries fit in your pocket, where distant voices echo in real time across continents, and where the collective knowledge of humanity streams at your fingertips. This is not a utopian dream, it's our present reality. In 2007, when he unveiled the iPhone, he set in motion a chain of innovations that would fundamentally alter our relationship with technology. This device became the paradigm for a new era of digital integration in everyday life, radically reshaping how we connect, work, and express ourselves. The end.